Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Ted, and on this channel I'm talking tech. You can probably tell from the bass guitars in the back that I'm also a musician. I've got another channel called Ted Talks Bass where, you guessed it, I do bass lessons and tutorials. But on this channel I wanted to explore my other interests in emerging technologies, and so I started this new space so that I could share that journey and that interest with folks just like yourself. I'm really interested right now in emerging technologies like AI, Midjourney, ChatGPT, and all of those implications and how they are affecting the world that we live in. I can share what I know and what I'm learning. So it is also no secret that I'm a big Prince fan. I saw Prince about 30 times starting in 1985 with the Purple Rain World Tour. I know I just dated myself there, but if you're a Prince fan, go on and stand up in the comment section down below. I look forward to sharing this interest with you, and I'll see you in the next video.